Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make mango cream dessert. It's a no-bake dessert and it's layers of spongy pound cake, smooth and velvety mango cream and sweetest mango pieces makes the delicious dessert. For this recipe we need 3 ripe mangoes and out of it we need 2 of them has to be pureed and 1 needs to be cut into small pieces. And we need 1 pound cake. You can use store-bought or homemade, and sweetened condensed milk which is 4 tablespoons. And we need some digestive biscuit for decoration and our heavy cream. First I am going to puree the 2 mangoes. Heavy cream I am using here 200 ml, and you can whisk the heavy cream until soft peaks forms. Add in the mango puree and beat for few more seconds. Add 4 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. You can taste and adjust the condensed milk according to the sweetness of the mango. Mix it well. Whisk it again until everything well blended. Slice the pound cake into small thin slices. You can use store-bought or you can use homemade pound cake. Here I am using the store-bought one. In a medium-sized dish, you can spread the slices of pound cake. Moisten the cake with a little bit milk. Spread the half of the mango cream and throw in some mango chunks. Spread more pieces of cake and then pour the remaining mango cream. Top it with mango chunks and sprinkle crushed biscuit on top. Chill it for at least 4 hours before serving for best results. Slice and enjoy this delicious mango dessert. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.